All right, you're going to want to hear this. There is a new heavyweight in the AI ring, and it's coming from Alibaba. It's called Qwen3, and it's an open source model that's not just trying to compete with giants like GPT-4, it's really looking to knock them out. And that's the big question here, isn't it? Can a model that's completely open for anyone to use actually take the top spot from the closed-off, super secretive titans of the industry? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dig into. So here's how we'll break it down. First, we'll cover what Qwen3 actually is. Then, we'll get into the cool tech that makes it all work. After that, we'll look at real-world uses, see how it stacks up against its rivals, and finally, what makes it so special. Okay, let's get into it. Qwen3 is Alibaba's brand new, most powerful family of open-source AI models. It launched in April 2025, and let me tell you, this isn't just some minor update. This is a direct shot at the established leaders out there. Now for the really fun part. What's actually under the hood? Let's talk about the secret sauce that gives Qwen3 all this incredible power. So the magic behind Qwen3 is a clever architecture called Mixture of Experts, or MOE. Think of it like this. Instead of a single giant brain trying to answer every question, you have a team of highly specialized experts. When a request comes in, the system instantly picks only the few experts best suited for that specific task. The result? You get the power and intelligence of a massive model, but with the speed and cost of a much, much smaller one. It's all about being smart and efficient. And Qwen3 isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's a whole family. You've got smaller models that can literally run on your phone, and then you have the massive 235 billion parameter MOE model for heavy-duty enterprise tasks. That kind of scalability from your pocket to the cloud is a huge deal for developers. Okay, so besides being efficient, let's talk about its memory. Qwen3 has a 128,000 token context window. Now, to put that into perspective, that's like being able to hand the AI a very thick novel and have it remember everything from start to finish in one go. This is absolutely critical for deep diving into complex documents or even entire code bases. And this thing is a true world traveler. It understands 119 different languages and dialects. That makes it one of the most globally capable open-source models you can get your hands on, right out of the box. No extra training needed for most languages. So you might be wondering, how did it get so smart? Well, it was trained on an absolutely staggering amount of data. We're talking 36 trillion tokens. That massive library of information is the foundation for its incredible reasoning and deep knowledge across so many different fields. Now, this might be its most brilliant feature, hybrid reasoning. Think of it like a car with different gears. You've got thinking mode for the tough stuff, like complex math problems or coding, where it carefully thinks through each step. But if you just need a quick, snappy answer for a chatbot, you switch to non-thinking mode for super fast responses. This gives you the control to balance between depth, speed, and cost. It's performance exactly when you need it. All this tech is great, but what can you actually do with it? Let's check out how Qwen3 is already powering real solutions, from writing software to making creative content. For developers, Qwen3 Coder is a total game changer. This thing is an enterprise-level coding partner. It can write new code, hunt down bugs, and even document your projects. And get this, it's hitting scores over 85% on human eval, which puts it right up there with and sometimes even ahead of GPT-4 on coding tasks. It's seriously impressive. And it's not just for coding. In the business world, you can build incredibly smart, multilingual customer service bots. Or imagine personalized tutors for students that can explain tricky subjects step by step. It can also automate tedious reporting, or even run complex agent-driven workflows in regulated fields like finance and healthcare. But it doesn't stop at logic. Qwen3 has a creative side too. It has built-in capabilities to generate images and even video. So you can use it to dream up marketing campaigns, write video scripts, or even help with complex scientific research. It's a powerful tool for both artists and scientists. So we know it's powerful, we know it's versatile. But the real question is, how does it actually compare to the competition? Let's put it head-to-head with the other big names in the game. All right, if you look at this chart, you can see Qwen3 is definitely holding its own. Sure, Claude Opus has a bigger context window, but Qwen3's clever MOE design gives it a serious edge in complex reasoning and agentic tasks. And when you compare it to another great FOMA open model like Llama 3, Qwen3's specialized skills in coding really make it stand out. So the takeaway here is pretty clear. With Q3, you're getting performance that is right up there with the best-in-class closed-source models, but you're getting it with all the freedom and flexibility that only open source can offer. That's a really powerful combo.
And you know what? Getting started is actually pretty straightforward. You can run it wherever you want, in the cloud, on your own servers, even on a small edge device. You can customize it with your own data to make it an expert in your field. And best of all, the Apache 2.0 license means you can build and sell commercial products with it. No strings attached.
So let's wrap this all up. What's the bottom line? Why is Qwen3 such a big deal, and what does it mean for the future of AI? It really comes down to this winning formula. You've got that hybrid reasoning for the perfect balance of speed and smarts. It's open source and super flexible. It has world-class coding and language skills, and it's already powering real, powerful applications right now. This quote really nails it. Qwen3 isn't just another language model in a sea of AI models. It's being called the next step in practical, reasoning-focused AI that businesses can actually put to work today. Which brings us right back to where we started. With incredibly powerful, commercially friendly models like Qwen3 becoming available to everyone, it really seems like the future of AI is open. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?